Well, we're going to head back to our phone lines. Our topic tonight is Ask Us Anything. Attorney Marcus Jones is here with us. We are going to head down to Tuscaloosa, where Deborah has been holding steady. Deborah, we appreciate that. If you will, go right ahead with your question.
Yes, I had a family member that was in a nursing home and was neglected. A local hospital deputed him replaced. It was reported to the ombudsman. She reported to the state. It's been 15 months. There's been no reply back from the state at all. So if the state won't help you, what's your next step?
What kind of abuse are you talking about?
Like he weighed 99 pounds with bed sores and things like that when he was taken out of the facility.
Right. We handle a good number of nursing home cases for individuals who have been neglected. Not every case is a case of neglect, but there are a lot of cases where, like you mentioned, bed sores. We handle bed sore cases all the time. You know, pressure ulcers are preventable, and they know that. Complaining to the state of Alabama, they've probably got a backlog. What you find is you find certain nursing homes that that are found, you know, the repeat offenders. They've got a file down there at the state this thick. There are some things that they can do. Eventually they could get their Medicare or their Medicaid funding pulled, but anybody out there that has a problem with a nursing home, I think they should report them to the state. And then if they have something that's an acute event like a fall, something along those lines, or an ulcer case, that's when you're going to want to call legal counsel. You may not be able to do anything to them administratively, but you may be able to get a recovery for your loved one who's suffering as a result of somebody's negligence.
So let me ask you this. So by calling an attorney, does she get a resolution quicker than continuing to wait for the state to answer?
Well, the state's not going to do anything in terms of being able to get compensation for the person. The state can issue warnings, they can issue fines. Hopefully they can, help clean things up. But again, the state has limited resources.
So really her next step at this point should be to call an attorney?
Maybe so. 15 months depends on when this event occurred. But for purposes of what I do, which is filing a lawsuit potentially against a nursing home or in arbitration. People used to be afraid of arbitrations. We handle arbitrations all the time in a nursing home setting. You have 2 years from the date of any particular negligent event that caused injury. So I heard the number 15 months. Well, 2 years is coming, it'll be here before you know it. So if you are going to consult somebody other than the state, I would do that pretty quickly. Okay,
and Deborah, if you're interested in talking further with Ken's firm, we're going to give out his number in our next block, so please stay with us. And most of all, we wish your loved one the best moving forward. Thank you for your concern for them and reaching out to us.